I've just bought one of these at a garage sale. Fantastic thing. It's a Lazy Susan, a spinning platform, perfect for making a flame tornado. So now I've got to go see my mate Eduardo. He's got loads of junk and he can build anything. Fill up on science. Hey guys, do you want to make a flame tornado?
Yes!
Alright, do you have some old wire, some pots, a dish, a bit of meths, maybe some household chemicals?
I think we do.
Maybe a drill.
Yes!
Let's go!
Got all.
Stop. Away. Careful, it's sharp. Good job, guys. That's pretty good. All right.
This is gonna go kaboom!
Just chuck inside.
Here we
There
go.
you go.
Our flame is only about this high, but let's see what happens when we start a bit of circular motion. Okay, very gently.
Whoa! I'm very excited.
That's amazing! Whoa!
Oh, that looks like a genie's lantern.
It went high! It's going high! Whoa, it just went up to there!
Yeah, I quite like it there.
Start to buzz, and the switches slowly closing on the circuit of our love.
Yeah, for the second attempt.
Okay, so we've had a bit of a rethink overnight. We're trying to get the structure right, so make it really round. So we've got it now sitting on a pot plant dish, which gives the bottom roundness. At the top, you've got a great idea. Where's your top? There we go. Look at that. We just cut off the bottom part of the top and leave the rim as a kind of rigid thing for the top. All right, we cannot fail. Okay, so we've built ourselves a little dark room now, so we can see the flame really well. All right, so we're all ready. Woofer.
And then we
go.
spin it.
Okay, start it spinning. There we go, it's going up a bit. Not too fast, just try and keep it.
Whoa!
Oh, yes. There's a beauty.
Okay, so I
Let's
think
help.
maybe we do need your automated drill approach.
That's amazing! Amazing.
It is amazing. I love it.
So when it's burning low like that, the methanol and the oxygen are combining, they're forming into carbon dioxide, and by the time you get up to here, basically all the fuel's gone and it's all turned into carbon dioxide, which doesn't burn anymore, so the flame stops. But when you start the tornado going, the carbon dioxide gets flung out by the rotating motion. That creates a little vacuum that pulls more fuel up into the middle of the vortex, which enables you to get a much taller and more efficient flame.
Oh, amazing! Whoa! This ridge. Whoa! It almost went up the top.
Right. Oh, maybe that's my problem. I'm talking. Did you see when I talk, it just go funny?
Yeah, and also when I went like that.
Right.
Wow, that's going quite high.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Bye.
Good sciencing, team.
Beautiful experiment.
Hey! Fill up on science. On science. 3, 4, 1. Fill up on science.
Okay, do some dabs.
There you go.
Sorry about that, guys.
That's all right.